R1c1 style. So there are two styles in VBA. Let me show you. First one is A1 style and second one is R1c1 style. So if we talk about Excel, we generally use, even we most of the people use A1 style. So what is A1 style? Let me show you. So I am putting two random number here like 150 and 120. Okay, now do the total. Okay, the total is 270, but I don't care about the total. I just care about the formula. Check the formula: sum A1 colon A2. Okay, now delete this. Go to developer tab, record macro. Okay, sum of two values. Okay, now click OK. Now recording has been started. Press Alt equal to do the sum. Alt equal to, press enter. Formula here, sum A1 colon A2. Now stop recording. Press Alt F11 to open your VBA. Maximize it. Module 1. What? Formula here, sum A1 colon A2. Now check the formula here. Active cell dot formula R1c1 equal to sum R bracket -2 bracket C colon R -1 C. So what is this? It means whenever you are using the formula or linking part in your Excel, in linking means like connecting of two cells, like equal to this. So VBA will not going to understand this part. VBA will use R1 and C1 style. So good programmer use R1c1 style, but I won't suggest the R1c1 style because it requires lots of practice and lot of time to build up our VBA skills. So let's do the R1c1 style in Excel now. Okay, so if we are going to use R1c1 style in Excel, then we have to enable the R1c1 style first. So how can we enable that? Just go to file menu, go to account, sorry, option, formula, check here R1c1 style reference. So click OK. Now check here, A B C D has gone, and here 1 2 3 4 already exist. So now check the formula R2C colon R -1 C. Okay, so now click on VBA. The formula is same. Yes. Okay. It means R1c1 style is generally used in the VBA. Okay. Now, so this is the part we have covered. Now talk about how does R1c1 style work. So if we are doing totaling like this, so it means we are going one cell, two row up means this, and up one row up means this. Okay, now do some multiplication here. 1 2. Now I'm going to multiply these cells, this into this, drag and drop. Now check the formula here, R column, my column is 2 left and this column is 1 left. What about this? What? Same formula? Yes, the answer is same because I'm not going to use A1c1 style, the R1 2 column left multiply by 1 column left. Okay, this is R1. So if we are going up in our formula, then it is going to subtract your row. Then if you are going to left side of your formula or linking, then it is going to reduce your column number like this. But you have to take care of bracket. Why bracket? I will discuss you in later chapter. Okay, if you are going right side like this, if my number is 150 and I'm linking this 150 here. Now see, there is no negative number here, there is only positive number. It means 2 column right. Like enter. Okay, if you are going down, then row will be positive and column will be nothing. So what about this moving column and row together? You are checking, I'm moving row and column together. Okay, so this is our R1c1 style. Let's talk about this. The difference between these two can be understood with the help of following example. In table 12, table 12 is here, A1c1 style. Now we are going to use reference or absolute, sorry, now we are going to use absolute and relative reference. What is that? If you are talking about relative reference, then A1 style can be understood at like E3, E3, A1 style. And what about R1C1? R1C1 means like this. You are on, suppose you are on G3. G3, first enable your okay, option, formula. Yeah. Now I am on the G3. What I am linking? I am linking with the value of E here. E3. What I will enter in E3, that will show in my G3. Okay. Now the formula check here. Formula is E3 equal to E3. Now I am going to use relative reference now. Option, formula, R1c1 style. Click OK. Now check the formula. 2 column to the left. Okay. Now, so this is the same formula. G5 and E3. So 2 column to the left and 2 column, 2 row to the left, to the up. Now if we talk about absolute reference, then G6 equal to like this, dollar dollar. This is the absolute reference. Or in R1c1 style, there will not be a bracket, there will be value like this. So what is E3 here? E means fifth column and third row. So R3 fifth column. So this is the absolute reference. Just put the value directly. Okay. So this chapter is only for understanding the VBA code which you are using in formula or linking. So keep enjoying.